Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the SOXL ETF. We previously released a report on our website on Friday the 17th of November 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. It's essential not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. So far, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 25.84% since we first recommended buying SOXL 11 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 2.35% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has broken the wide and falling short-term trend upwards. This could potentially indicate a slower rate of decline and potentially signal a shift in the trend. On the downside, there is support at the previous trend's roof, which is at $20.85. This level may provide a second opportunity to ride the trend. According to fan theory, $28.01 could be the next possible top level, acting as a resistance that may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 15.51% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within the range of minus 49.98% to minus 23.83%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.8% change expected over the next year. The potential return falls within the range of minus 2.07% to 105.85%. This suggests a price range of $22.65 to $47.61 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF price increased by 1.8% on the last trading day, rising from $22.72 to $23.13. It has now experienced gains for 4 consecutive days. We're eager to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $22.37 and a high of $23.29, representing a 4.11% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, amounting to a total increase of 25.84% over the last 2 weeks. However, it's worth noting that the volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately 54 million shares were bought and sold for a value of around $1.24 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate divergence and potentially signal changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 19.55% or $5.62 below the 52-week high and 93.88% or $355.11 below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for SOXL ETF. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive indication for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $21.38 and $18.54. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 59.19%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, it is important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 128 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 44 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has some key points to consider. Just below the current level, we have accumulated volume support at $20.60 and $18.64. It's important to note that testing a support level comes with some inherent risk. If the current support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL has additional support at $20.60, followed by $18.64 and $17.43. Moving on to volatility, this ETF can experience significant price movements throughout the day. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. In the previous day, the ETF had a price range of 92 cents or 4.11% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 4%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $23.40. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, the first support level for SOXL can be found at $20.60. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $22.51, which represents a decrease of 2.68%. This particular ETF exhibits significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 91, further elevating the risk associated with this investment. Moreover, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom observed 14 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? While the SOXL ETF shows some positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it may be better to consider holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we anticipate that SOXL will open down $0.200 and begin trading at $22.93. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts on it. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree with our analysis. Additionally, we'd love to hear what your target is for the ETF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our goal is to provide you with the information you need to make successful trading decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.